Good morning, students. I am your teacher, Miss Pallavi from Golden Public School. I wish all of you a good health. Okay, today I am going to tell you a story about rabbit and tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a jungle like this. देखिए, do you like this? Yes. There were trees, and lion was the king of the jungle with his cub Kimba. Yes, आपने इसमें अपनी पहली स्टोरी में सुना था ना, रोर किम्बा रोर, है ना? उसी का किम्बा है ये, और ये उसके फादर लॉयन। और कौन कौन थे वहाँ पर जंगल में? फॉक्स, यस, and bull, wild bull, and bears. Bears were the army of the king. They were bodyguards of the king. Okay, there was a rabbit, a cute little rabbit, a tortoise, है ना? Do you know? Rabbit is very fast and tortoise is very slow. A dog, a cat, and many other animals. Okay? One day, lion held a meeting, a conference for all the animals, and he told, I want to know who is the fastest animal in this jungle. Then rabbit comes forward and told that I am the fastest animal here, and nobody can beat me in the race. Then lion said, is anybody wants to challenge him? Then our tortoise came there and said, yes sir, I want to challenge him. Lion laughed a lot. And other animals also laughed a lot. They said, how can a tortoise can win the race from a rabbit? It can't be possible. But tortoise is very confident. He said, I want the race and I challenge him. Then all the animals held a race for them and made a race track and make a race track. Now all the animals gathered together for the race, and lion said, 1, 2, 3, and go. And rabbit starts fighting very fast, very fast, very fast. But after some time, he felt tired. So he thought, oh, tortoise is very slow. वो तो बहुत पीछे रह गया. Okay. Then he thought he can take rest for some time and take rest under a tree for some time, and he slept up. And tortoise is very slow, but he was going and going and going and going, going and going and going and going, slowly, slowly, slowly. He was going towards the race and When he was about to finish the race, the rabbit woke up and he thought that tortoise is very slow. He can't be here. He also started the race and he started very fast. But tortoise is very slow. But he reached the finish line before rabbit. And rabbit was surprised to see that. So tortoise won the race. Everyone was amazed by this. They can't think of this. उन्हें समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था ये क्या हो गया, टॉर्टोइस कैसे जीत सकता है. But then lion came and gave the prize of winning the race, a bunch of carrots to tortoise, and tortoise was very happy and rabbit was very sad. He thought, it was my mistake that I slept. I can't be the loser. My favorite thing, my carrots, was snatched by me. He was very sad. So, what do you understand by this story? That slow and steady always wins. हमेशा धीरे धीरे, लेकिन अगर हम पेशेंस के साथ चलते हैं तो हम हमेशा जीतते हैं. ओके बेटा. नाउ rabbit was very sad, as I told you. So he thought that I will challenge him again. I will challenge tortoise again. And now I will not sleep and I will win the race and prove that I am the fastest in the jungle. So get ready for our next video. Okay, bye.